Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have motion that is this House believes that developing countries should require the foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers, ladies and gentlemen. By these motions, we're going to talk about three points. That is what happened on Indonesian economic today, how is the condition of foreign companies in Indonesia, and the third is how is the condition of local worker in Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen. Indonesia as developing countries have many potential to increase their economics. What happened on Indonesian economic today? Today, Indonesian economic is getting decreased since during the pandemic of during the COVID-19 pandemic, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, we have to stabilize. We have to to stabilize the Indonesian economic by what? By minimum quota of hiring local workers, in order that Indonesian local workers will have chance to work and to increase their economic, ladies and gentlemen. Second is how is the condition of foreign companies in Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen. Based on the electronically integrated data, online single submission OSS until the end of the December 2019, there were 668,228 domestic investment companies and foreign investment companies recorded. With the details is 642,309 domestic investment companies, and there are 25,919 foreign investment companies, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, Indonesian local workers have to give, Indonesian government have to give chance to the local workers to work in the foreign companies, ladies and gentlemen. So we see why I do really agree with this motion, ladies and gentlemen. We have to decrease Indonesian unemployment, because here is the third point, the condition of Indonesian local worker, where during the COVID-19 pandemic, there are many people in Indonesia that lose their job. Therefore, it really suffer Indonesian economic, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, by these reasons, we have to do this policy where Indonesia have to raise the domestic of Indonesian economic by giving priority to minimum the quota of hiring local workers in the foreign companies, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the evidence of the course today in Indonesia is still range 14 to 15 every dollar, 15,000 in every dollar, ladies and gentlemen. It means that Indonesian economic is still low. And by this policy, Indonesia will be predicted to increase the stability or the economic side by decreasing Indonesians where it can decrease Indonesian unemployment. Maybe that's all that I can give you about the argumentation about today's motions.